So next up, guys, got a very nice tractor here. I'll go around and give you a nice 360-degree view. This is a 2011 Caterpillar Challenger MT835C is the model on it. Tracks are in really good shape. It's got a big Cat C15 diesel motor in it. It does have a full set of front weights. They can go with it. 4 auxiliary hydraulic hookups in the back, really clean cab, heat AC, like 4,100 hours, radio. It does have a large 1000 PTO. A hitch there on the back as well. Undercarriage is machine guys sit in it. It feels like new. I mean, this is a really good home with excellent maintenance. You're just not going to find a used tractor any cheaper. But I'm here with a consignor. He's going to fire it up. He'll give you a nice demo. Fire it up here and fire's right up there. I mean, you got to see that paint shine. You get it out in the sun, guys. This thing is just extremely, extremely nice. He's just going to move it around a little bit here for you. Absolutely nothing wrong with this unit. You can buy with a lot of confidence on this tractor. He's just going to park it back in front of the shed like it was. Kind of do a quick little demo, but she runs strong. Everything's always been serviced, maintained. Anything that needed fixing, almost done on it. Like I said, farmers you'd be buying it from are as good as they come. So there's a quick little demo, 2011 Challenger MT835C track tractor there, guys. Good luck with auction time at Old 20 Auctions.